Hello friends, Jai Shri Ram. Many people are in a habit of drinking coconut water on a daily basis. But after extracting all the water using this tool, you're left with the shell of the coconut and a lot of tender coconut trapped inside it. You don't have a way of taking out that tender coconut which tastes really good. This can also go in all your veg recipes, even in your ice cream. So how do you extract that tender coconut? For doing that, you need to drill a hole like this, hole big enough to accommodate your spoon. For doing this, there's a technique. See, you normally use this tool to drill a hole into it, but you just drill one hole for the straw and you stop drilling after that. What I did is I drilled multiple holes like this, okay, and then this central part I just stuck my fingers in and I just pulled it outside. So this is the number of times I have drilled it, okay. And in between, when you drill one or two holes, after that make sure that you clear this pipe using this clearing tool, okay. And then once you extract it, your spoon can go in and you can extract this tender coconut. If you like the tip, please do like the video, share it with your friends. Until next time, Jai Shri Ram. Thank you so much for seeing the video till the end. It does mean a lot to me. Could you also please see the video description? It has index, link to the study material, and also if I've shown any products in this video, then the purchase links to those products. The comment section is open for your suggestions and also for your doubts. I always answer to the first 100 comments on every single video. If you want to support my work, here's my QR code or my UPI ID is amit.shirasao@UPI. Until next time, this is Amit signing off. Jai Shri Ram.